So yesterday I shot a video, and the video was to determine if black shingles were hotter than other colored shingles. So today I came outside to take this thing apart because I thought we were done with it, and I just wanted to make a really short video again to show y'all the sealant strip, because these shingles have been outside for just one day. It is September, so it's not extremely hot outside. It's about 78 degrees right now, but I wanted to take the time to, use this opportunity and show you how well these Atlas shingles have actually started to seal. So up here at the top, you can see there is a double sealant strip on these shingles. You've got this primary strip and then a secondary strip up here at the top. And they're already very sticky, but when I went to pull some of these shingles off, they're stuck. I mean, if I were to pull any harder, I would actually be ripping them off. Let me see, there we go. You can see they are already sticking extremely well. And that's pretty impressive. For it not being the middle of the summer, these shingles are working extremely well. So the sealant strip is what gives these shingles that 130 mile an hour wind rating. So obviously they're supposed to be nailed up in the top. That's what holds it down, but what stops these from separating or delaminating here are these double sealant strips, and that's one of the great features of Atlas. That's one of the reasons we sell them, is because they do have that double sealant strip. So just wanted to take a quick second, show y'all this in person. These things are sealing really well. If you need a roof, give me a call, 901-854-3402. Thanks.